This actually is a leaf picker. It's a leaf picker. It looks like a lawnmower, right? And so instead of raking the yard, because I have 2 mango trees in my yard, and so much, every time I pick up leaves, the next day you got mango leaves all over the yard, right? And so it's just becoming too hard for me to just rake the yard. So I've seen this many times on the internet, right? People raking, not raking, but picking up the leaves using this machine. I'm going to show it up on Amazon, and this only cost me $85, right? And so there's different size. I think I got the smallest size. I think this is 21 inches. I think it goes up to 32 inches. Let me just show you what's in the box. These are just the screws, the handles. These are just fasteners here. And what I am going to do is, I did find on YouTube this guy showing how to put all the pieces together. So I'm going to go ahead and watch that video and put it together. Watch the video, put it together as he shows it. And so this is the leaf picker. This is how it looks. So it actually works great. So I have a mango tree, so those are big leaves, and I see people picking up like smaller leaves, right, from I think black cherry trees. And so this not only picks up leaves, but also picks up grass clipping and other items on the floor, right? And then you can also set the height too. So my lawn is pretty much, it's high right now. I haven't, we've been having, I'm in South Florida, so we've been having a lot of rain. And so the grass has been growing at a much faster rate, right? So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put everything together. Once I put everything together, I'm gonna come back and show you the leaf picker, it being all assembled. Hey guys, I'm back again. This is the Vevor leaf sweeper assembled. You can see here, I can adjust the height. Alright, so right now I have it at the highest, and I will adjust it depending on how many leaves it picks up. Also, you have these fasteners. I guess you can adjust the handle high or low. And this is the basket to pick up the leaves, right? And if you're on a store, you got these handles here. You can open them up and you can fold the handles. I have them too tight. Just like this. Sweeper is underneath here. I don't know if you can actually see the sweeper. There's these bristles that spin. And this is what picks up the leaves. So I will leave the link to the, there's a guy, excellent guy, that explains how to put this together. Also, I had some issues with some parts. I had to look at the manual to put the basket together, this part. So I'll leave that, and what else? That's basically it. So right now it's raining. I would show you this picking up the leaves, but it's raining cats and dogs outside, so I will come back in another video and show you that.